Hello guys, this is your boy, the one and only, the notorious Das Ape. So I'm back with another video, guys. I'm back with another video. As you know, during weekends, understand, we do weekly analysis, understand. And by the way, know these guys, and every weekend, Saturday or Sunday, understand. Obviously, I'll drop weekly analysis, understand. So don't think that I just drop like randomly. The English is running away. Randomly, whatever. Understand? So just know that every weekend, and I'll give you like my weekly analysis. Understand? So I'll share my weekly analysis every weekend. Then during the week, I'll be giving you, if there's any news. Understand? We'll be analyzing for news again. Understand? So by the way, let's just get into today's video and see what we should have, what we should expect. By the way, guys, my English is not that good, understand? So don't expect too much English here, understand? What you must focus on the skill. As you see, guys, I'm currently holding NASDAQ cells there, understand? And I'll show you how I managed to catch those cells, understand? I'm holding NASDAQ cells there, guys. On the video, as we go in the video, I'll show you how I managed to catch those cells, understand? So without any waste of time, guys, I already told you when I drop my videos, understand? Every weekend, you'll get weekly analysis. During the week, if there's NFP, CPI, on Monday, is it on Monday or Tuesday? It's core retail sales, understand? I'll do analysis for currencies, guys, understand? Because most of the time during core retail sales, only currencies move a lot, understand? Indices don't really move that much, understand? So expect core retail sales video next, understand? During the week, understand? I'll give you my retail sales analysis. By the way, let me not take a lot, guys. Let me just go to this, and let me just delete this analysis here so that we can reanalyze and see what we should expect for next week, understand? As you know, we start on our weekly time frame. By the way, guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, understand? And even if you're not new, but you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, please make sure subscribe, my guy, understand? Help us grow this channel, understand? And I'll be giving you these hot setups and stuff, understand? I'll keep on sharing my work, understand? I'll keep on sharing. And by the way, this is not my strategy, guys. You know, people always DM me saying, "Hey, you see your strategy, my man, is too much." This is not my strategy, guys. I learned this stuff on YouTube. Understand? I learned this stuff on YouTube. It's pure price action. I'm not the one who came up with pure price action. Understand? It's just that we differ as traders. Understand? We differ. There are some who use it differently. Understand? So you already know how I do it, understand? I start on my weekly time frame, go to my line chart, identify my strong weekly zones, understand? And guys, every weekend when you are reanalyzing, like delete the previous what the previous analysis, understand, and reanalyze, because the market gives you like new zones and stuff, understand, and new setups. So don't always use the same trend line, use the same zones and stuff, understand? The market is going to be giving you new zones every week, understand? As you see here, uh it didn't really give us a nice zone. I'm not going to even use that as my zone, understand? But you can see that if it dropped massively, it was gonna give us a nice zone there, understand? So we're gonna use that zone if it was a proper zone, understand? But nah, it wasn't really a powerful zone, understand? So make sure reanalyze every weekend, understand? Get your weekly analysis. If you are lazy to analyze, understand, or it confuses you when you analyze, understand, come and check out my YouTube channel, how I analyze, understand, and know the direction of the market, understand, using my analysis, understand? And you can just like add more stuff on the analysis, because we don't just like identify, let's take on our daily time frame, you can see that we're on a downtrend here. And by the way, this is NASDAQ, guys. You can see that we're on a, what do you call, a nice downtrend there. And we know that the market is on a downtrend. We're not just going to be saying, sell, understand? Nah, or it's still going to dive deeper. So you can come here, check the direction and stuff, understand? If it's confusing you, understand, then go add your other stuff, understand? By the way, let me just check what's happening here on NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ, guys, you can see that we're currently on a nice downtrend. Give us a first touch, second touch, third touch. Is it a third touch or fourth touch? Yeah, maybe fourth touch, but this one doesn't look like it really touched. Understand? Let me just fix this trend line. I didn't touch, guys. Didn't touch. So this was our third touch there. Understand? So you can see that gave us a third touch there. So we're expecting massive sales this upcoming week, guys. Understand? This was our third touch there. Understand? Second touch was, yeah. Can you even see, guys? I don't even have to show you where the touches are, but you can see where the touches are. Understand? So this week, this upcoming week, guys, I'm expecting massive sales. As you remember, uh, uh on my previous videos, guys, I was telling you that, let me get that thing. So I was always telling you that you can see that NASDAQ is keeps on giving us lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And I told you that we're going to wipe out this lower low. Understand? So now I'm 100% sure we're going for that lower low. Understand? Now I'm 100% sure that we're going for that lower low. Because you remember when I analyzed that time and the market was still somewhere here. Understand? So you can see it went up there, gave us a third touch. Then obviously now we have to see it doing this. Understand? So meaning that this upcoming week, guys, and this upcoming week we must look for selling opportunities. Understand? We must look for selling opportunities. If you get any buying opportunity, you can scalp, but don't hold, because if you hold, understand, you're gonna be in danger, because this thing is gonna drop massively. Understand? From now on. Understand? Wait, didn't you have any support zone there? Yeah, there was a support zone here. You guys don't even remind me. Why didn't you tell me that there's a support zone? So you can see there's a support zone there, guys. Next to our weekly zone, understand? And we just broke that support zone. And obviously, guys, next week I'm expecting massive sales here on NASDAQ. Understand? I'm expecting massive sales. So let's just dive deeper with our analysis and see. Let's just dive deeper with our analysis and see what we can find. Understand? Mm. On my 4 hour time frame, I can't really see anything. Understand? I can't really see anything here on my 4 hour time frame. So let me just go to my 1 hour time frame. Maybe our 1 hour time frame can give us something. Understand? And yeah, on our 1 hour time frame, you see, the reason why I like using bigger time frames, understand, getting my direction from bigger time frames, from my weekly time frame and my daily time frames and stuff. Understand? The reason being, if when you like using, let's take a 5 minutes time frame and 1 minute or 3 minute time frame, understand? Then you go to your 1 hour time frame and use 1 hour time frame as your biggest time frame. You'll be expecting buys for the whole week. Understand? You know why? Check here. You can see that it gave us a first touch, the second touch. Understand? So you'll be saying that NASDAQ is currently on an uptrend. Understand? So once it reaches here, yeah, you can be right that it, 1 hour time frame is on an uptrend. Understand? It can still buy, but the question is, what's the real direction? Understand? The real direction is that we're on sales. Understand? So it might buy for, and I know that every time when you're going to enter a trade, understand, you're going to make sure that you're going to take a trade that has a big TP. Understand? Maybe you're going to put your TP here. Understand? Put your TP there. Then maybe you put your stop loss somewhere there. Understand? Then you know what's gonna happen here. The market might buy for a bit just to make you feel like you're killing it, understand? Then continue dropping, understand? Reason being that we're on a major, not a major, a massive downtrend, understand? You saw that from our weekly time frame, from our daily time frame, that we're on a nice downtrend, understand? So those buying opportunities, you can still scalp them, understand? But you have to be good, Understand? You have to be good, and you must know how much you want to make with those scalping trades. Understand? Because anytime the market can change. Understand? So now I'm not going to be focusing on this type of setup. So like I won't be taking buying opportunities. Understand? I'll be looking for only those sell opportunities. So if I see an uptrend like this one, understand? I don't. The only thing that I'm looking for it to break this trend line. Understand? I know people will be buying there. Understand? But I want it to break. Understand? So once it breaks, that's when I execute my sales. Understand? Because I know that this thing is on a massive downtrend. Understand? So NASDAQ guys, this upcoming week, just look for massive sales. Let me just see. And by the way, this support zones, guys, this one, I don't think they're gonna hold. They won't hold these ones. Understand? Let me not even identify them. Understand? Because they are useless since we're on a downtrend. Understand? So these support zones are useless. So guys, on this little uptrend here, I'm expecting a breakout. Once it breaks out, I'm executing my sales. Understand? I'll be execute my sales. And there's these cells that I'm holding on NASDAQ. Understand? There's these cells that I'm holding on NASDAQ. So last week, not even last week, on Friday, understand? When it gave me the third touch, understand? I was observing the market and then I saw it giving me the third touch. And then I realized that this thing was giving me I remember, hey, I forgot the name of the pattern. What's the name of this pattern again? What's the name of this pattern? Oh, head and shoulder, what pattern? Understand? So you can see that we had a head and shoulder pattern there. Understand? So you just do this. So it gave us a third touch there. Understand? Gave me a third touch there. As you remember, on my daily time frame. Yeah, on my daily time frame, gave me a third touch there. Then I saw that okay, we're creating a what do you call a head and shoulder pattern. Understand? So I said, so I identified this head and shoulder pattern around some. It was around here. Understand? It was around here. Understand? And I knew that it's gonna come back to this zone because the head and shoulder obviously has to give us the second shoulder. Understand? So I let it like come to that zone again, then I executed my cells. Understand? Let me just go to my 5 minutes time frame to show you what I used as confirmation. Understand? You already know how I confirm my directions and my entry points, not even my direction. Understand? This is how I confirmed my direction with using that hammer candlestick there. So I entered somewhere there. I'll even put the screenshot of the trades there for you to see them. Understand? So my stop loss was somewhere there in my TP. I don't remember where I placed my TP because I didn't really put the TP on my trades. Understand? So that's how I managed to catch that sale, understand? And I'm just going to hold it, understand? I'm gonna hold it because I'm still expecting massive sales here on NASDAQ, understand? So for you guys who, if you haven't like entered, understand? If you haven't entered, just wait for that breakout there. Once it breaks out, you can enter more sales, understand? Can enter more sales once it breaks out there. Or since we see that there's a resistance level here, which was turned into support, once it breaks this level here again, retest on it, understand? You can enter cells again, retest there, can enter cells. If it breaks there, you can enter more cells, understand? So on the current trades that I'm holding, I'll be adding more on those points, understand? If I get proper confirmation on those ones, I'll be adding more points, targeting there, understand? So my TP is just going to be the. So yeah, that I think this is what is our lower low, guys. Let me just go to my daily time frame. Yeah, so this was our previous lower low, understand? So I'm expecting it to go and wipe out this previous lower low, understand? So I'll be holding those trades till that lower low there, understand? So by the way, that's it for NASDAQ, guys. I hope you guys are gonna sanitize NASDAQ this coming week, understand? Because you can see that This is a clear direction, clear analysis, nothing complicated. Understand? As long as you know pure price action, you understand what I'm talking about here. Understand? So yeah, NASDAQ guys, I'm looking forward for those sales this upcoming week. So make sure guys, stay away from the buys. Understand? Stay away from the buys. The buyers will fool you, understand, and then you end up blowing your accounts. So by the way, let's jump to USA30 and see what USA30 is giving us, understand. And by the way, since NASDAQ is showing us sales on USA32, I'm expecting sales, understand. On USA32, I'm expecting sales. And by the way, I learned something. You see, this previous CPI, né? This previous CPI, guys, I learned something. I learned something. You know what I learned? And I learned that NASDAQ is the biggest index. Understand? NASDAQ is the biggest index. So let's take your analyzing for CPI and let's take your analyzing for CPI, and then NASDAQ shows you sells, then USA 30 shows you buys. Go with NASDAQ analysis, understand? Both of them will take the sells, understand? So NASDAQ is the biggest one. So if NASDAQ sells, USA 30 has to sell. That's a must, understand? Because the previous CPI, NASDAQ gave me sales, understand? NASDAQ gave me sales, but I stick to USA data analysis because I saw that USA data analysis were clear, like soft analysis, you understand, like they were clear, understand. So I decided, I'm going with USA data. I'm not going to go with the sales. Then you saw USA data dropped during CPI, sanitized us, understand. So yeah, that's what I learned this previous CPI. I appreciate those losses, guys. Understand? They taught me something. So next time, if you analyze NASDAQ USA data and USA data, like the analysis are not corresponding. On the previous videos, I was saying if they are not corresponding, don't take the trade. Understand? But now, guys, now I wanna make money. I can't just be sitting and not making anything. Understand? So from now on, we'll be following NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is the boss. Understand? By the way, let's analyze USA data and check what we have. USA data has for us. Understand? Let me just identify my zones fast. Understand? Let me identify my zones fast. Since you already know the reason of identifying zones, guys, I don't have to keep on telling you, hey, zones are for what? You already know, guys. Understand? You already know. I am tired, guys. Today I've been talking for some time. Hey, I'm tired, man. I'm tired, man. I'm tired, man. Another way I'm tired. I'm even lazy to even analyze USDT. Okay, let me just just for you guys, and then let me just analyze it, guys. So on USDT, guys, you know, this indices, all of them, they're just on a downtrend, guys. Understand? Everything is just on a downtrend. It's just that sometimes, and this thing these things may confuse you because you'll see that they're on a downtrend, but sometimes they'll just like buy for a bit just to confuse you. Understand? As you see on your side, we had a nice support zone there. Understand? So it was supposed to retest there, but it didn't retest. Gave us a fake out, acting like it's gonna buy, understand? But it's not buying, it's dropping, understand? As you see, it rejected there on the last candlestick. So this upcoming week, I'm expecting sales here on USA 82, guys. Understand? I'm expecting sales here on USA 80. So on our 4-hour time frame too, we can see that we have a nice downtrend, understand? Gave us a first touch there, second touch. So we're expecting a third touch. So on your side, you can wait for the third touch, understand? You can enter on the third touch. Let me just go to my smaller time frames to just see this set up nicely. Understand? So wait. Nasdaq and USA, the guys just moving the same because you can see here again, like on Nasdaq we had the same setup. Like it's like this where we have like on our 1-hour time frame we have an uptrend. Understand? So on USA 32 you can see that we have a nice uptrend there. Understand? Gave us a first touch, second touch. So there will be a third touch, and then someone will be executing buys, and then it sanitizes you. Understand? Because you went against the direction. Understand? But here, since we saw that we're waiting for a third touch, I'm not going to really enter on the breakout, understand? I'm looking for it to come back to give us the third touch there, understand? Once it gives us the third touch, then executing ourselves. So you said it, just look for those what do you call, for those for that third touch there, understand? Once it touches the trend line, guys, once it touches that trend line there, once it comes back to touch the trend line, just execute your sales. Since you can see that we have a nice zone here again, and it's next to our weekly zone. So this is a PowerPoint, understand? A PowerPoint to give us a reversal, understand? So obviously the market has to reverse if it comes back there, understand? So look for those third touches there, not third touches, that third touch there on USA30, guys. Hey guys, I'm tired, Tim. I'm tired. Should I even add the last pair here or what? Let me just go analyze GER30, understand? And then we'll be done with the video. And then our TP on USA30, guys, will be that previous low there, understand? So we're looking for those cells next week, guys. We're looking for those cells, understand? Those cells will be the massive moves, understand? Buys will be just a short-term buy for like 15 minutes and then or 1 hour, and then it drops for a whole 4 hours, understand? And by the way, you know that in this thing, if you want to make money, you must catch those long moves, understand? Those long moves are the ones that are going to make you money, understand? So by the way, let's just jump to GER30. Hey guys, if today I'm not making sense, sorry, I'm just tired, guys. Hey, I'm tired, understand? So this will be our last pair, guys. GER30 will be our last pair to analyze, understand? This will be our last pair. Let me just identify our weekly zones fast, understand? Guys, I'm tired, Shem. After this, I'm going to take a nap straight. And by the way, yes, guys, last week we sanitized GER30, guys. I don't think we even lost any trade on GER30 last week, understand? We were just sanitizing those London sessions. Yeah. So by the way, if you want to join our, what do you call, our signal group where we can catch our London session signals, understand? You can get the link on my description, understand? You can get the link on my description, understand? So yeah, understand? Join our signal group there and let's sanitize this stuff, understand? I know GER30 too, guys. You know, GER30 doesn't really change, guys. You know, now I'm doing the same setup. I think now it's the fourth video, understand? Seeing the same thing on GER30. It's just that it's not moving. I don't know why, understand? But it will move soon, understand? You remember my previous videos, I told you that expecting GER30 to come to this point. I'm still looking forward to it to like come to that point. You can see that it's not going anywhere. That time when you analyzed, I think it was somewhere here, understand? It went back to that support zone currently. So now let's just go to our smaller time frame and see if we have anything here on GER30 to understand. But I think this upcoming week, I understand, this will be the week where now it drops. Since you can see that this previous week, it wasn't really moving, guys. It wasn't really moving. It was just ranging, understand? And by the way, if we check here, we had a nice uptrend there and it broke. Let's just check if we have any zone that we can maybe retest on. And I think we have one, understand, because I can see a rejection zone here. Wait, guys, I'm just checking something here. Yeah, so we have a nice rejection zone here. And guys, you know, I like zones that are next to weekly zones, understand? These zones are powerful. If you get any support or resistance zone that's next to a weekly zone, that zone is powerful, guys. That's like a high probable zone that the market might turn on, understand? As you see here on a weekly zone, how it like respected this weekly zone, and that understand. Here's another one. You saw how it respected it, understand? So those weekly zones, guys, like are important, understand? And by the way, here on GER30, guys, hey, you know I'm tired now. I I just feel like I'm going off topic or something. But by the way, guys, and here on GER30, I'm looking for sales on that zone, understand? Since it's a previous resistance and then tend to support, but now we are going to use it as a resistance zone, understand? So GER30, guys, I'm looking for sales to here GER30, understand? I hope you understand this setup because it's not complicated, guys. You can see everything is clear there, understand? So our entry point can be there. Stop loss, can put your stop loss above those zones. That's a safe spot to put your stop loss, understand? Then TP can be that low there. You see, like all indices, guys, were expecting sells, understand? There's no index that were looking for any buys, understand? But since we're looking forward for it to go there, and we can see that we're just rejected on a weekly zone, I think there we can look for scalping buy trades there, here on GER30 there, understand? We can see that we rejected on a weekly zone, understand? And we're looking forward for it to buy, come to this zone, understand? So we can still scalp some buys. Let me just go to a smaller time frame. Let me just try my 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame is not clear. Let me just try the M5, understand? So yeah, by the way, as you see on our M5, understand, we have a pattern here, understand? And by the way, guys, don't just use a pattern that just appears out of nowhere, understand? Use a pattern that you can see that this pattern appeared on a weekly zone. You can see that here we have a head and shoulder pattern there, understand, on our weekly zone, understand? So this one, obviously, the market is going to respect that pattern, understand? So once we break out here on the neckline, understand, you can enter your buys there on GER30, understand? So once we break that neckline there, you can enter your buys there on GER30, put it a tight stop loss there. Don't forget the direction of the market, understand? So our TP will be our entry for sales there, understand? So on Monday, guys, London session, we might see massive buys during London session, understand? Since because of this, what do you call? Because of this head and shoulder, what this pattern, understand? So London session on Monday, guys, expect those buys, understand? But know that it's going to be just short buys, understand? And it can give you like massive moves, buy fast, understand? And get that when you're holding and then turns fast again. Ish. What did I choose around here? So this is what I'm currently okay. This is what currently I'm expecting, understand? Once we enter that zone, we start executing ourselves, understand? So yeah, that's my weekly analysis, guys, understand? That's what I'm expecting for this coming week. If you reached this far, guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you understood the analysis. Hope I didn't confuse you, understand? Because I'm just using following what the market has given me here, understand? I'm not really like doing my own stuff. You can see that I'm following stuff that the market gives me, understand? So by the way, guys, this is the end of the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, understand? And get ready for the next video, which will be based on retail sales, understand? We'll be killing retail sales, understand? So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I'm out.